Hello everyone to my channel. So today we are gonna unboxing to JBL Flip 3 Splash. You have already know about this product and it's a very beautiful product in my view. So this is a product and I bought that product on Flipkart Big Billion Days on only 4,000 rupees only. So I thought it's a great deal. Today it was delivered. I ordered the product on 10th of October, so it's quite fast. Well, I'm gonna make the video of the unboxing of this product just to show you that what is the inside of this box and what are the other components you should have with this product. So let's get started. So we have broken the seal of Flipkart box, I guess. Here you can see that the benefits you will get in Flipkart Plus, that is free and fast shipping, easy access to sales, etc. So don't waste time, let's back to the video. Here is our product. Yeah, it looks quite good, and the packaging from Flipkart it's also very good. It's wrapped in a paper, bubble paper, I guess. That's very cool. So we are gonna, the primary seal is broken, and that's the product we have ordered. And I don't think this is a color we have ordered, so we have to check the color of this product. I'm not sure about the color. So you can see that it's JBL Flip 3 and this is a very good Bluetooth speaker. Basically it's a Bluetooth speaker, but it sounds a lot more than a home theater or any indoor sound system. Here is our bill. So without wasting any time, we are gonna break the seal of this product. Yeah, here is the seal. So friends, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe my channel and also like my video, comment my video, share my video, and let me know how you think about this product. Do you have any idea about this product? If any bad idea or any good idea, you can comment it below. It's pretty tight, so it takes some time. Well, I'm gonna check this. You can see the original price of this product. It's 11,999, and I've got this on discounted price of 4,000. So I think it's a very pretty deal. And yeah, I'm having some trouble to open this. Oh yeah, that's okay. Wow, that's a great feature. Actually, it was the most best-selling product of the year of 2016-2017, and everyone knows about this product. Yeah, we have gone through the unboxing. Here is something, I don't know what is that. Well, let's keep aside. There is also user manual. So if we were new to this product, if we don't know about this product, so I would recommend to first go through this user manual and then come to this product. This is a USB cable, and I think it's for charging of this product. Yeah. Well, here it comes the product, and well friends, this is a product. This is JBL, you can see. So the first thing I like about this product is its color. The color is very vibrant and it's very cool. So if you are going to somewhere, like if you are traveling and if you are going to somewhere for a party, then you will definitely rock for this color. So without wasting any time, I am just starting. Friends, I have charged I have charged this product to 100%, so I guess it will sound better now. So first I'm turning on the power switch. This is a power switch. This is a power switch of JBL. So you need to press this switch until the button goes on white, like this. You can see, and this kind of sound you will see, and that means that the product is now open. So the next thing you need to do is you need to press this icon, which is Bluetooth. You need to place this Bluetooth icon until it goes green. So I am doing this. I am just pressing this button, and yeah, you can see it goes on green, and also another beep noise is coming from this product. So that means the product is now all set to be paired with the mobile. So the next thing I am doing is I am turning on my mobile, and I am disconnecting to this JBL. Yeah. Next, go to YouTube. So first of all, I am just playing a melody song. I am playing a melody song. I think it will sound very good. Let's check that out. Oh, yeah, that's my favorite song to you.
Soulful hits of Arijit Singh only on Gaana, India's #1 music app.
Hear the sound. I am just doing one thing. I am just keeping this product to a side, and you enjoy the music.
Arui, सुनो. हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा.
The volume of this product is to the full, and it's very loud, and I guess the sound is very crisp and clear. So my first impression is very good about this product.
तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो. चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो. बैठे बैठे ना गई देखो दिल को मेरे टलिया रे, हाय मेरे पास से होके फिर वो नीचे से जाके बोली, भैया तू डिजर्व करी हो तो बीट चले या गोली, क्योंकि एक एक को पसंद है.
Well, that was my first impression about this product. So till then, bye, and if you like my video, then please like, share, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.